This is one of those pours where the colors do most of the talking. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using light blue, cerulean blue, gray, tropical blue, green, and blue violet. I want this painting to be calm, balanced, and visually striking, the kind of colors that naturally work well together. I began by pouring fluid acrylics around the border of the canvas, and I also began by pouring puddles near the center of the canvas, allowing the colors to sit together before any movement. This step gives the paint a chance to interact and layer naturally before stretching begins. Center placed puddles create a strong focal point. When you tilt from the center outward, the paint stretches evenly, which helps maintain color clarity and smooth transitions instead of muddy blends. For this pour, I used more puddles than I normally would. I wanted stronger contrast and more separation between the colors before any movement happened. Adding extra puddles create thick layers, which means the colors have more opportunity to stretch, overlap, and reveal themselves without blending into one another too quickly. When there's more paint on the surface, the movement becomes richer. The colors hold their identity longer, the transitions stay cleaner, and the final design feels more dynamic. It's a simple adjustment, but it makes a big difference when you're aiming for contrast in an abstract piece. Cerulean blue is one of those colors that almost everyone responds to. It's soft, calm, and instantly familiar. Historically, cerulean blue takes its name from a Latin word meaning sky or heaven. And that makes sense because this color has long been associated with open skies and quiet horizons. In art history, cerulean blue became especially popular in the 19th century when artists wanted a stable, reliable blue that felt lighter and more atmospheric than deeper blues. It was often used in landscape to capture daylight skies, distant water, and that sense of air between objects. What makes cerulean blue so special is its balance. It's cool without being cold, bright without being overpowering. In abstract art, it brings calm, clarity, and openness, a place for the eye to rest. It's one of those colors that support everything around it, which is probably why it's so universally loved. Honestly, who doesn't like cerulean blue? As you watch the paint begin to move, I love for you to engage with me in the comments. What do you notice? Or what did you feel about the overall calm of the piece? Zigzag movements create tension that turns into flow once the canvas is tilted. It's a simple way to introduce complexity while still letting gravity and paint density do the work. After the first tilt, I introduced gentle zigzag movements to guide the paint and create rhythm across the canvas. This adds direction without overpowering the natural flow. I then tilted the canvas again, allowing those lines to stretch and soften into abstract forms. Tilting isn't just about moving paint around, it's a skill. Every tilt affects balance, weight, and flow. You're not just watching the paint move, you're deciding when to stop, when to shift directions, and when to let gravity do the work. Knowing when to tilt and when to pause takes practice. Too much movement can overwhelm the piece, and too little can leave it feeling unfinished. Finding that middle ground is part of what makes fluid art both challenging and rewarding. This is one of those color combinations you truly can't go wrong with. Blues and greens naturally complement each other, creating harmony and contrast and visual ease. Sometimes choosing the right colors is half the art. As the paint settled, the abstract design revealed itself. Smooth transitions, layered movement, and a sense of balance that feels complete without being forced. This piece is a reminder that when color harmony is strong, the process becomes intuitive. You guide the paint, you respond to what unfolds, and you let the artwork become what it's meant to be. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.